So firstly we are going to make ladybugs. For this, here we have painted Kinderjoy shells with red and yellow color. Then we are going to give design as of the ladybugs. This is Freddy. For the next one, here we have taken again Kinderjoy shells painted with yellow as a base. Give some strips and wings with white, eyes with white, and other features with black. For the next one, here we have taken a Kinderjoy shell, again painted with yellow paint. Take 2 popsicle sticks and stick these together to make its wing like this. Make some features using pencil and draw it. Using brown paint, make it and attach 2 wings on its sides. Give some detailing with black color. Like this. Make it smile. Make some lines on the wings with brown paint. And these 2 cute fishes are also ready. Now for the last one, here we have taken a Kinderjoy shell, paint with green paint and make some features with brown. And our turtle is ready. Thank you for watching.